Hello, I'm Ellen McShane, and I am so excited to be here with you today to talk about a company that is revolutionizing the internet. I have several questions I'd like to ask you, and I hope you'll stay with me throughout the entire video so that you can get all of the answers. So, are you looking for extra income, wanting to diversify your income and ensure you've got multiple streams of income to protect yourself and your family? Searching for truly passive income, tired of working long, hard hours with little or nothing to show for it, fed up with spending all kinds of money on various opportunities and programs without making a dime, on a quest for a home-based business that you can finally succeed with? You're in the right place. What you're about to see will provide you with additional income diversification, and truly passive income without spending a dime. It's the easiest thing I've ever done. And by the end of this, I know you'll see how insanely easy and profitable this is too. We're talking about 5 Billion Sales. 5 Billion Sales is a technology company on a mission to revolutionize the internet. It's committed to paying you for using the internet, and you can sign up for free for life as an affiliate. 5 Billion Sales has monetized existing internet activities that 5 billion people do every day. 5 Billion Sales is revolutionizing the internet by removing the power and trillions of dollars from big players that run the web and giving it back to every person that uses it. How much are you getting paid to use the internet now? Zero, zip, nada, nothing, right? 5 Billion Sales is part of a company in the United Kingdom with 25 platforms across the web. 5 Billion Sales is starting a new wave of digital businesses that take the power from the tech giants and give it to the people. The services are unique and revolutionary. The knowledge to bring change to the internet comes from 12 years of industry experience with existing platforms. 5 Billion Sales is bringing change to an industry that deserves to be changed. It's taking huge wealth from the tech moguls and redistributing it fairly to web users as passive income and earnings. 5 Billion Sales is global. Anyone, anywhere in the world can join. The first pioneering web service is free. It provides every internet user the opportunity to earn $584 to use the internet without doing anything differently. It's the opportunity for 5 billion people to earn a passive income without investing a dollar. Share 5 Billion Sales and earn more. Join 5 Billion Sales now, free for life. You don't have to sell anything, just sign people up now for free so they can earn money too. Get paid to use the internet, get paid more to share 5 Billion Sales. So join for free now. You don't even give a credit card number. Join us today. You've got nothing to lose and everything to gain. I encourage you to go back to the person that sent you this video so that you can sign up under them and become part of this amazing opportunity to change the internet and to make your life and the life of everyone that joins your team so much more enhanced and financially secure. Thank you.